Did you know that 90% of beginner retail traders quit the stock market within 6 months? That's a staggering statistic. Most new traders fall prey to the same costly mistakes, which have nothing to do with not having a fancy degree or not being able to read complex charts. These mistakes stem from a lack of understanding of how the market truly works, coupled with common psychological pitfalls. By understanding these pitfalls, you'll be able to avoid them, protect your hard-earned money, and set yourself up for long-term success. Let's be honest, who hasn't been tempted by a guaranteed stock tip promising massive returns? But here's the harsh reality. Blindly following someone else's advice without understanding the why, the how, and the what of a company is a recipe for disaster. Remember, these so-called gurus often have their own agendas. Instead of chasing empty promises, invest your time in something far more valuable: knowledge. Learn how to read financial statements, understand different valuation metrics, and analyze a company's competitive landscape. Become your own financial expert, and you'll be surprised how much more confident and successful you become as an investor. We all want to make a quick buck, but those stories of overnight millionaires are the exception, not the rule. The stock market isn't a casino or a lottery ticket. Real wealth is built over time, through careful planning, disciplined investing, and a long-term perspective. Think of it like growing a tree. You plant the seed, nurture it, and eventually it bears fruit. Instead of chasing quick gains, focus on building a diversified portfolio of solid companies with strong fundamentals. Remember, slow and steady wins the race, especially in the world of investing. Imagine this. You just got a big bonus from work and you decide to put it all into the stock market. This is a classic mistake that many new investors make, and it's a recipe for disaster. Investing a significant portion of your savings without understanding market dynamics and risk management is like setting sail in a flimsy boat without a life jacket. Before you invest, ask yourself, how much risk can I afford to take? What is my investment timeline? What are my financial goals? Our human nature makes us want to hold on to losers, hoping they'll bounce back, while we get tempted to cash out our winners prematurely. However, this emotional decision-making can be detrimental to your portfolio. Instead of letting emotions dictate your actions, develop a disciplined approach to managing your investments. Set clear exit points for both your winning and losing trades based on your research and risk tolerance. In the age of instant gratification, patience has become a rare commodity. The stock market doesn't reward impatience, it often punishes it severely. Building wealth in the stock market takes time, patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations or panic sell at the first sign of a downturn. Remember why you invested in the first place. Stick to your investment plan and allow your investments the time they need to grow. The rewards go to those who are patient, disciplined, and committed to learning and growing. It's human nature to want to be part of the crowd, but in the stock market, following the herd can lead you straight into a stampede. When everyone is buying a particular stock, it's often a sign that it's overvalued. Instead of blindly following the crowd, do your own research, form your own opinions, and make investment decisions based on your own goals and risk tolerance. The stock market rewards those who can think independently and make rational decisions, even when everyone else is caught up in the hype. So, there you have it, the 6 critical mistakes that can make or break your success in the stock market. By understanding these pitfalls and learning how to avoid them, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. The stock market is a journey, not a sprint, and the rewards go to those who are patient, disciplined, and committed to learning and growing. Educate yourself, develop a solid investment plan, and watch your financial future blossom.